Fingers, gentlemen, fingers. Yep.
Get it out of the way so that they can get through here with that beam without running in the way.
Where
you go? Just go that way. Can't. Push. Oh. It's not me, it's the other end over there.
Yeah, that's not.
Can you go help him over there? He's got to get it up in there.
Go get it. Get back on. Get on the side of it.
I guess that's fine. I just want it out of the way so they can get in here with the beam and not trip on anything. We don't need this. This has been here since yesterday. They can come back out. Nope, I changed the light.
What are we doing down here? We're just gonna push it over. Drop it.
Which side is that?
Hey Terry, which side are we going?
Going that side.
Whoa. Okay, it's time for them to pick it up. Bounce it right there. Put it right there.
It's got to go in the blade.
On top of that.
On top of here. Roll it.
Back it up and then put it in? Yeah, back up this way. That's good. That's good. Now rotate. Vertical. Watch your fingers. Good. Okay. All right. Push it down a little. Okay, right there. Push in. Push. Push. Got just in time.
No. No, they're going to have to pull out a little bit to get by.
Y'all going to have to come out. Be careful we don't drop off here now.
Yeah.
Come out a little bit more. A little bit more. Let it down a little. Okay. Yeah. Okay, shove this way about 4 inches. Stop. All right, come out a little bit more.
The other
out.
out.
Other out. Get it. Good. Go far you can get in there. Quiet now.
Need to come out a little bit more if they can. Come out about 6 inches more if you can. There you go.
Push. Push. There we go. All right, now can I go on top of that?
Yep. Keep coming.
Okay, it's got to come up about a ½ inch.
Up
Or an inch.
Up.
Crowbar where? Shove it. Push. Push.
Yeah. I got. Yeah, this one up is what happened. So. I have something even better. Okay.
There. Okay.
You go to that slot, goes in right there.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so just push you. If y'all can push.
4 inches. 4 inches.
Whoa! Sorry about pushing out there. Yeah. Moving. Slowly, it's moving.
Pick up on the beam. Put it underneath there. Pick up on the beam. And it'll slide. There you go. It'll slide right in now. test it straight, not this is this stuff here.
Down here now, what we need down here.
Let me have a hammer. Need to go up. Need to go up right there. Up top. Yeah. This needs to go down a little. Sideways.
Other than your little
Up again.
going out there, the only thing is just.
Well, there you go. You're right. You're right.
Yes.
Now.
So for the next one, it's in. We can't just do it now. It's just not going to sit. Yeah, it's not going to sit to the so you get the other one.
Amazing pretty good.
They were already all torn up, all rotted and on the ground. So like, okay, let's measure what's here.
Okay. That's good. Getting good.
Terry, he has plans from other times he's done. There's a 1 inch spacer on this side, 1 inch spacer on this side. So that's your 2 inches. I mean,
When you construct this first time.
well, here goes up here. But I don't know if sockets are fitted.
Oh, he may or may not even go down.
You don't have to put the word test in front of dummy.
Oh.
I'm glad somebody said something about that. I was thinking, why do you put dummy in there? Mr. Keaton did that. Going through it. I would say you're at least halfway through. That was. That took some
Get there. Okay. Break's over. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go!
Count Perry.
Okay, start coming this way.
Hold on. There we go. Okay.
All right, slide it. Tilt it. Tilt the top out, yo. More tilt still.
Through. All right.
Oh, fingers.
We'll probably have the president in place, and we'll set
Push
it
it.
up.
Push.
Whoa! About, oh, yeah.
4 inches. Oh, stop.
Half
Stop.
inch.
That's about perfect.
All right.
Yeah, this is not.
Oh, it depends on
Yeah, this looks good down here. Okay, so can we stand it up?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Just match it up with one of the other ones.
We got tension rods that go all the way through. Okay, well, these are started and these are started.
Yeah. Okay.
The ones on that end, Mike, is your end started? And everything?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
We're good everywhere. We just
We're good
need-
everywhere.
Yeah,
And we just need tension bolts.
Well, then I'm going to hit it with the
You may have to.
We're in.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's the only good rock we've got right now.
I think we're good, gentlemen. Appreciate it.
I want to say thanks to everybody. Great team effort by all the teams. Great work by everybody.
Yes, thank you, everybody. Really appreciate it. Oh, that's it. That goes all the way.